Hey everyone, today is this triangle BR03 Borea, I guess. So I'm going to find out how good they are, and then I'm gonna compare with my wafted Diamond 225 and some other speakers. Silicone bungs, and this is Borea owner's manual. The grill looks very nice, very simple. Has a triangle logo here, and then there is no reinforcement. It's pretty light. The speaker itself, it looks very nice though. This is a silk dome tweeter with this is a plastic diffuser with the plastic surrounding. This area is a little bit rubberized plastic kind of feeling, but this is like a hot, just a plastic. And these area are also soft to touch rubberized plastic. The face plug is fake though. That's a you see the whole thing is moving. Rear face plug won't do that. So that's the two front bass reflex port. The speaker looks very nice. Good quality binding post. As you can see inside some sort of coating in there. It looks pretty good because of so silver surrounding and white driver make it look nice. One flaw that I found here is the vinyl wrap right here. As you can see, these corners are not as good quality finished, and that's not only that one corner. For $550 speakers, I think they have to do a little bit better than this in terms of a build quality. So workmanship is not the best for the price. Something like PSP P5 or wafted Diamond 200 series have a better finishing quality. And I'm gonna get in here with my endoscope camera, then I will show you inside. Bass driver with the triangle label on it, and then this is a high frequency driver. I think back housing looks like made of metal, or I'm not so sure, it may be plastic. I hope it's made of metal, the housing of the tweeter. Oxygen free copper wires with the triangle logo on it. So I couldn't get the whole video of the crossover. I only get the few portion of it because of a lot of insulation in surrounding area of the crossover. So that's the inside of this cabinet. It has some nice middle bracing. Let's do some measurements. This measurement is just to see the in-room frequency response. Try to see if it matches the manufacturer specification. So let's start the measurements. So here's a graph of an in-room response in my Music Den. It looks pretty decent. Lower bass response should be a little better given the size of the driver and size of the cabinet. Sound signature wise, it's neutral but a bit more on the colder side. So if you are looking for warm sounding speakers, this may not be for you. Overall sound is a very nice sound stage with the good scale and decent dynamics with the very nice frequency extension. Bass performance is very good, very clean notes, but not as deep or not as well pronounced like some other speakers in this price range, and not as musical, I would say, especially in like an upper bass area. It's not as pronounced, so that makes it this one like a soundstage less deeper compared to other brands. And then mid-range it's about right, not really stand out or not really recessed, pretty neutral, very clean though. Vocals and upper mid-range frequency can be a little bit bright, depends on the music, depends on the recording, but overall that area is a bit brighter than I would like especially high pitched notes are a bit brighter than I will appreciate. It can get a bit tiring. So mid-range and upper mid-range, I'm not really into sound from this speaker. And then high frequencies are very well extended. Some nuances are like overemphasized. it can get bright as well. I would describe sound as the clean, neutral, but a bit cold. I have pretty warm setup. My Denon PMA S611 and Bowers & Wilkins 706 S2 combination sounded a lot warmer than this. So this speakers personally is not well suited to my taste because I'm not really big fan of a bit colder side of sounding speakers in general, and vocals can be a bit bright in the upper notes region. Especially I'm not really big fan of upper mid-range reproduction sound from this one. This kind of speaker I think is more suited to like home theater use or like surround speakers or that kind of stuff instead of using as a main speakers. If you, let's say if you want the speakers or if you have the speakers that you want to upgrade or you want to go up, Fuka Aria 906, which can be had for less than $1,000 when they go on sales, that is a much better choice. If you like this sound signature, Fuka Aria 906 is your ultimate upgrade and better choice for you. If you're gonna buy the speakers, I think you should give it a listen first because it may work for you if you like, a little bit coldish, neutral sound. That depends on your personal taste. So that is my experience, my friends. In next video, I'm going to compare with my Diamond 225. And then I'm going to measure it and you will hear the sound sample of two speakers back to back. So that's it. Thank you for watching and happy listening.